When somebody set blow up on you, when somebody set dope up on you know where you have to go? Owe a man, read a man. Man will take them something there, bro. Doctor can heal spirit. Heal me bum buckler. When you go to the hospital, you might go find some part or something for tell us, I'm blood vessel bust in her head. Had this happen to him. When none of that happen to him, Kawa. Had the blow and make it happen to him. See, the physical. No joke, man. Real something, bro. Same thing happened to Neisha. And that happened to my mother. So if I'm not sick, yeah, yes, then sick, or obey them.
But we have a message for get out. Them start monitor you from the big frog that come in your yard. Let me tell you. The frog where you should have killed. Where you should have let go in a seawater, make it wash away with the sea, make the crosses leave, you know. And the house where you're there, 4 corners it full of dopey.
The family now go prosper none at all in our life. Because them have some evil deeds. And since Owie come in a Neisha life, me see say Neisha change a lot. And them not go like that fear because them want everybody, them come like crab in a barrel, them want everybody to stay down in a them family. Them don't want to see nobody a strive, them bad mind. You see the next set you come out that the auntie will come out and talk, never talk about that set of family over there so. The whole of them is a piece of destruction, a piece of crosses. Me not hate them because me see they around them, you know. But me I tell you see them up at Johnstone, them love Owie, them love Owie, them love Owie, them love Owie. Them love Owie so till me didn't even know what to talk about. That's why me move from Johnstone, you know, because I tell a while because backstory. I have a cyst me have a something on my foot, you know. Where it used to get bigger and bigger and bigger on my foot, you know. I make me up and down and can't stay nowhere, you know. Me I fear dead so, and I bat around, you know. Them set me with my family, them turn against me, you know. Them set me when me not fi come out to nothing. You see, anybody will live at Johnstone, you see, when you're gonna make it in a life, and when you move from there, so. Cause you see, big people, them and the old people, them hold it down, girl, me I tell you them, hold it down. Hold down the young people, them either you crash and dead, or you don't come out to nothing.
Mighty God. But you know who me there contemplate say you say wicked? Neisha's stepmother. Because Neisha's stepmother went to the hospital and tell them that Neisha's mother dead. And Neisha's mother did the gate a ball. A real mother went to visit and could go in.
Them Neisha and her mother not really have Neisha and her mother close, you know. I tell you, you see some set of family, them live good at this moment. And then I live good at the next moment, and so that family they stay. So you see, Neisha and her mother probably never in a no dealings. Neisha mother we in a dark, you know. But you see them still wicked. Me not put nothing past them. Me not put nothing past them because me could never be a mother and make a stepmother walk in a film fitness shoes. The mother have something against her daughter. In the dark where we don't know about. She want to see her daughter. She don't think her daughter forgive her for what she do. Me don't know what she do. Because me never in them house or they know what for them. But them have some dirty mentality. Some dirty mentality for family. Them have some dirty mentality. And she don't know if Neisha go forgive her because she go take upon the family them side from the time when Owie and I used to there and she young and them never want she and them for there.
Yeah.
So it come from a backstory, so she don't want to say no. You know what the woman they not talking on. The woman they ever look sad and maga like them and Owie too. Who knows if the stepmother now Owie she too? Who knows if the stepmother now Owie she and make she left, make the man left she? The woman maga down and dry out and suck out and I never saw she look.
A lie.
I never saw she look. She used to go to church and our church the woman stop go. Our church the woman stop go. The woman ever look weary in her face, Neisha mother. She ever look weary. From me a grandma come, Neisha mother used to have her weight and look good and they mash up the woman. They mash up the woman.
Dirty stepmother, man. And that's why, yes, you know Neisha father. Call and know Neisha father can't come out, you know. Nobody no see her hear from Neisha father, you know.
Me don't know him in person. Me see him already, but me don't know him in person. Me don't really know him in person. But you see, me tell you something. You see St. Thomas, me not talk about St. Thomas. You see Johnstone district overall. Up at that place where me born and grow, miss. Me I tell you, says a wicked place to live. That's everybody's right now. Me go to St. Thomas and video and me can show on St. Thomas. It never change. It always the same.
Yeah. Me no cut
Never look the same.
Me no cut
You let the girl them
Me no
you
tell
let the
you.
girl them pass sidewalk. You never go see them pass sidewalk. Me I tell you. I be how long them one another out there. See my uncle, them mad my uncle in a miss. Make my uncle walk and them with a garbage pan and wear my clothes and beat me up, you know. And true, my grandmother believe in a Obia. My grandmother fight for my uncle and get him back in them right mind, yeah? Them mad, my uncle literally mad him, make him a walk. And wear my clothes, beat me up, mad, my uncle mad, like literally turn madman. And my grandmother
mad Owie. I'm mad, them a go mad Owie. And me I tell you no say them a go mad Owie. And your Owie no get up and go look help for Neisha and look help for himself. All him a go mad left that baby there. Watch
look
and
back,
see.
Owie mother a Christian, you know. Owie mother a Christian, Owie mother got church. Look back, Owie yeah, them how them are going at all. Look back, Owie how his features change. You see them have a monitoring spirit and monitor Owie, you know. Some look at demon people and them we say no much dopey, you know. Go ball up on graveside, you know, them wicked, you know, some wicked set of people, them. I never see a set of people wicked so yet. And them, you see how them do? Them turn the man mind from the woman because them is a set of bad man people, them. Because two young people come build up room, get pitney, and I live better life. Oh, we used to ride bicycle, you know, girl. A bicycle, you know how we are riding, you know. Neisha mother dirty people them, Owie people them never deal with him. You know see like you look like Owie people them now have nothing to do with him. You know see say Owie people them now come up and now look at Owie people them are Christian and some decent set of people them and no boogie yaga people them like Neisha people them.
Yeah.
Yes, them bad man in the camp. I miss a ride bicycle. Him left from bicycle got bike. And then now, him brother them, all of them have bike. The whole of young people, them don't want to see them stride. That's why I left there. Me now go back to St. Thomas to go live. For love now money. Me afraid out there that me come from. Me afraid. Yeah, go on. Me not charge it.
And when me tell you me never tell you say up at Terror sister girl, me never tell you so how we come from Terror, me never tell you that. Well, me hear about St. Thomas from me a little bit of pitney I grew up, little bit of girl I grew up. From me a little pitney me I hear about St. Thomas. When me tell you about Neisha family, them say the church or them guys that a easy place.
John them knocking up.
Alright, Shan, later.
It's a poker church where them not jump. One board of poker church where them tie up them head is like a revival church. Them church are poker church. You know them jump that we are not a kumina. Like you're not jump a kumina. And them other kind of church that them go. Right side of them that cross your church.
Them go to church with the table in a migla yard. 4 cutlass the other side.
Yeah.
You see? God. Owie, you need to hear this. Look into things. Take off the veil off of your eye. If you have the veil upon your eye, listen. Your woman was with you. So how come you give stepmother privilege? How come you give sister privilege? Stepsister privilege? You notice the parents them now show out and come forward for the child, for Neisha? You notice that people are doing more than un. Come on now.
A monitoring spirit they a long time. I watch blood clot with them. Then a spirit look like them they eat and drink with with them. Sister and stepmother some wicked dirty drunker them. Drunker that you can't like a
You see when I watch the video with the girl video of Neisha, is it true me have one spiritual eyes? I know I couldn't sleep. But Neisha, I watch the video with the girl video upon the bed and I tell her say me feel like the spirit left out of the video and reach on me yard. To me I plead the blood in
night
my
I couldn't even sleep good. Last night I was on my bed go sleep.
Girl, I can't sleep because to me know Neisha, me know where them a come from. It's like Me just feel a weird girl. Me feel so. Me and Neisha never know a friend like that, you know. But me just feel afraid. Anytime I hear nothing about them, see nothing about them, me just start feel afraid for what me don't know.
So Shan, did I tell you a while ago say the spirit them in the four corner and Neisha them house? Me that me tell you a while ago. But half an hour a while ago, I said that to you. And my cousin say, if Neisha or how if you get up and go take the bucket where they have so the frog in the fish go see go that shit way. Me say me. And then she tell me tell them go take it and go check and see go that shit way. And me say no trouble we no trouble you. Oh, we should have carried that go to see go dash way. Me don't know why would I just left it.
Have you ever seen a normal frog so big a blamisha talk truth?
Never. From the day I come out and my mama first me I see one frog so first. I see everything my cousin say. And I see him the same church when Neisha people them go at the same church my cousin join Poco church. So my cousin know things. And Neisha people them I tell Shan long time them say Shan and then they go tell me say this and that and rape. Hold on there, Jada. Jada one you know say one girl down at hospital say every night after Neisha stepmother clean her off and go one coolie man go the bedside go sit down.
Yes, me see it here, but me I tell you, say Blamisha say, when me watch a video, and there's no coolie man there beside her. One spirit over her, that me I tell you, say me couldn't sleep when me watch a video when the girl video her. Because me have a spiritual eyes. The one pastor, he look at me and tell me one time, and say, see why them can't get to you? It's because you're of God, you're not of the devil. And me look at the man say, you're going to be an evangelist. You're going to be a missionary. Don't seek God and you know. I have spiritual eyes. If I can't see nothing, I can't feel it. You see, once a spirituality, you can't feel certain things through the phone because you see the negative energy of all the frog where they are, so you can't literally know, say, something not right about that frog. You can't see, say, that frog, you have to just plead the blood of Jesus all. You know you just have to talk all in a tongue.
Throw fire upon this man. Yes, it.
I pray. But here one you see the devil, when him see say you're a warrior and you get involved in a certain things, the dirty spirit them when they upon them will come torment you.
Yes. What you think say Kasha did that police so last night? Hey, so good favorite, come off of this. You send something over here, so come off of this. You not saying nothing over here about move that frog. Move your blood
clot. Goosebumps full me, girl. Well, Goosebumps full me.
Me I tell Shan say.
But that's why I plead the blood of Jesus. I don't know if I do it because I'm just afraid for when me I go to bed later. Me I feel tormenting in my sleep because me can't have trouble when I trouble me. We need one if a prayer warrior for this. This notice. Me alone can't do it because me I'm not Christian. But me can't do my half. Right now, my mind just tell me to play the blood. But here what? Me no want to get caught up because me get caught up one night. Me come like me ask somebody turn up in my kitchen. I start far how it reached one night when me couldn't sleep.
Me not trouble it, you know. Me not
trouble it.
Tell her no, so up a land up on them place be a coolie. Tell her no. Tell Shan, come back a while ago, be a coolie. But most of them use from up there. I said that, but then say one coolie man there at the bedside with her at night time. The coolie man there lay wait her soul. What's your name? There wait for me. What's your name? You will come from Testament. How far Port Moran the from Dalvey?
Port Moran the far from Dalvey.
Alright, so what woman going
to come just have to go to Golden Grove right there and come to Dalvey because me have family at Dalvey and Duckensfield.
Alright, I want to go tell me say Port Moran the far from Dalvey. Mr.
Most of them far place.
5 minutes